These are the 5 important things you have to know before applying for EPF withdrawal. It takes maximum 20 days to receive PF amount from the date of apply. In some cases, even before 20 days also EPF members will get the PF amount. But what if your claim gets rejected? A rejected claim means reapplying and waiting again. If your claim gets rejected, you wasted previously 20 days and again you need to wait for another maximum of 20 days. So in order to avoid delays in your EPF withdrawal, you must know 5 things before applying for it. The first one is insufficient service. As an EPF member, you have to wait for 2 months after exit to apply for the EPF. Here the exit means your last working date in your company. Only after 2 months, EPF members can able to withdraw their EPF and pension amounts. And to withdraw pension amount, you need to contribute at least 6 months to the pension account. Otherwise, you cannot able to withdraw your pension amount from your EPF account. The second thing is, some EPF members, they upload checks without any name on it. If your name is not printed on the check, EPFO will reject your claim. In that case, it is better to upload your bank passbook. Take a scanned copy of your bank passbook first page and upload that while withdrawing your EPF amount. And no joint account accepted for PF claims. If you are submitting a joint account for PF withdrawal, your claim will definitely be rejected. So make sure your name is printed on the check, and also don't use any joint accounts. Only individual accounts are eligible to withdraw your EPF amount. The third thing is not submitting Form 15G. The eligible EPF members need to submit Form 15G to avoid TDS and also to avoid EPF claim rejections. Submit Form 15G only if you are withdrawing more than 50,000 rupees with less than 5 years of service. Otherwise, you don't need to submit Form 15G. The fourth thing is father's name mismatch. Father's name should match in bank account, PF and other. If there is any difference in the father's name, then your EPF claim will get rejected. It happens when you submit bank passbook. On bank passbook, most of the bank passbooks will have father name in it. In case they find any difference in father's name, they will reject your EPF claim. If you want to correct your father's name, you can use joint declaration form. You have to submit a copy of joint declaration form to the EPFO office directly. And your employee's signature is also needed on the joint declaration form. And the fifth thing and the final thing is wages more than 15,000 rupees. This problem occurs during pension withdrawals. Pension should be calculated on a wage of 15,000 rupees or less. If your basic wage is above 50,000 rupees, you are not eligible to the pension contribution. In that case, the employers can contribute pension amount only up to 15,000 rupees of the EPF member. But some employers, without much knowledge, they contribute to the pension amount even above the 15,000 rupees. In that case, the EPFO officer needs a clarification from the employer. So you have to contact your employer. They need to submit a letter to the EPFO office. You can check this on your EPF pension passbook. Just check on how much basic wage the EPF and pension amounts are calculated. If the pension amount is calculated above 15,000 rupees of basic wage, then your PF claim will get rejected with a reason wages more than 15,000 rupees. So these are the 5 main reasons EPF claims will get rejected. Still, if you have any doubts, ask those doubts in below comment section.